For today's game, we are doing a Slinky race obstacle course. We each have 6 blocks. We're going to go set them up on the stairs however we want, although you can't do like all of them grouped together in one. And then we're going to have a competition where we'll start both of our Slinkies and see if we can get them to go over at least 3 of our blocks. If we make 3 of the 6 in any given run, we are the winner. Are you excited?
Yeah!
Okay, let's go set up our blocks. Normally you could spread this across your whole staircase, but just for filming purposes, we're doing 3 stairs to show you the game. All right, you ready?
Yep.
You are getting all set up. Okay, on your mark. Get set. Slinky race. Oh, well that was a big 0. You got 2, okay. All right, you gotta get at least 3 to win. On your mark. Get set, go. Oh, well I lost one mine, but no success.
Oh.
Here we go, on your mark. Get set, Slinky race. Nothing, all right, let's try again. On your mark.
Hi.
Hello. On your mark. Get set, Slinky race. Another big 0. On your mark. Get set, Slinky race.
Oh, I got one.
You got 1. Okay, do you want to, how about should we do it where if you get on one, you can then take it to the next row down?
Yeah.
Okay.
I get
So,
this.
he gets to continue because he got 1 in there. I'm going to start back from the start again. Okay. So Grant has got 1. Ready, set, go. Oh, I went right in between all of them. You got 2. Grant's the winner. That was actually pretty smart then to have those together. Nice job. So that was our Slinky race. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.
Bye. Right here.
Oh.
So I can lay like this. Hi.
Perfect. Okay. Whoa!
Oh, that landed.
That was awesome.
Oh.
Frog jumps. How many more minutes do you want before you?
An hour.
An hour? You enjoying this?